Wann war das heute? Arbejder en Sofie?
Ja. Nej, mamma er der så. Ya gente o Sempic y dije, ay, que no me lo vaya a ver. Fue de chismosa al baño. Y dije, ahorita es cuando la meto a refri.
¿Iba a hacer pipí o iba a ver qué tenemos en el baño? Good evening, good afternoon. It's time for the daily review of the Nasdaq 100 here traded as US Tech 100. Yeah, and started out today with a small trade. It was a bit tempting down in this area. It's a tight trading range. So yeah, sell high and buy low. That's a recipe, right? But before we look into how the day has developed, let's just let's have a look at the daily. So again, we are stuck in this trading range, now a little bit below 25,000 where we have been for a long time. So as expected last evening, we had a good reversal bar, good bull bar. We broke out of a trading range on the daily, and today we have a pullback. Was difficult to find buyers up here. We tried to go a little bit higher, but we have a rejection actually here on the daily. We got a little bit higher, but not enough buyers, and we went lower. So still, we are stuck in this trading range. Let's look at the hourly. So here we can see it. Here we have today, yesterday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So we can see the range here. Been in this area, when we went down here, got a wedge down, found buyers. A second attempt went up yesterday, and today we have been trading down. We found a trading range, went up and broke down apparently like 2 hours ago. A strong bear bar, and you should expect such a bear bar to get some continuation, but it seems that we are getting some support down here, and we can understand why when we look at the days before. There are buyers down here, and there are clear goals up higher, like 25,000. Let's look at 15 minutes. So I will just let me mark as usual low of yesterday. So we are down. Let me see here. Low of yesterday, about here where we are trading right now. So important area. High of yesterday, we reached that about 2 p.m. up here, and close 4:15. Okay. On the 5-minute, I always mark also opening of the day, an important magnet. It's here. So we have down here, we have low of yesterday, high of yesterday. So we opened right in the middle between low and high of yesterday. We tried to get up, market tried to get up to high of yesterday. We broke First, we tested close of yesterday. We didn't find really, we broke through it, didn't find buyers. We almost reached high yesterday, and we got a good bear bar to sell, and we went below the open of the day, found some buyers, and then got a second leg down, what we could expect. We retested, but couldn't get up to. Have been around here also with the important area 24,000. Couldn't get back to close of yesterday, and then yeah, we can see we got a like a midday reversal after 2 hours of trading. Bears were too strong, and they got a measured move down. And after that, we have had several hours of smaller bars, sideways trading. And yeah, I'm long here, but I also know that we have a strong magnet down here, 700. So let's just focus on what's going right, what's going on here. So we can see that bulls are not giving up here, but bears are also getting some good bars. So we had a second entry long here, bar 45, but no buyers above, and a strong retracement. Bar 49, difficult bar to sell, and we found buyers. Yeah, right now market is reacting. Could be news. Something is going on. Not sure what happened, but a strong bar. A breakout bar, 67. So we had a series here of small bull bars. A typical tight trading range. A little bit difficult to trade because you tend to think that you will get the breakout like bar 58. Pretty good looking bar, but no buyers above a little bit, and then we got a bull bar. I was actually long here, lost some money, sold, then bought again when I saw bar 62, went long and have been long for a period here, still long, bought up here, probably too high. So 67 is a surprise bar, but we can also see this as a triangle, and that we could break out of, we are always at some point breaking out of a triangle, right? And it could be happening right now. What we also see this time of the day and in this time of kind of market is that bars are accelerating, right? Getting bigger and bigger. And that could be what is happening now. So we had a good reversal here. Bar 62 is actually better than 54. It has a better size. It's a higher low, not too big a bar. There will be buyers above it. First goal for the bulls is to get back up here. We found sellers. Bears, they got a double top. Tried to paint a double top. Got that exactly here. Got a good surprise bar, 65. I was a bit shaken by that, but I didn't sell. And then we have a strong reversal, 66. So now it's a bit interesting to see what will happen here if we can actually go higher. We have a clear target up here. We have breakout points, and that is 900 area market. Bulls would really like to get up here. Let's see. First, they need to get rid of the bears who were still short and just waiting for the market to reach the top of the range. They expected bulls to sell, and they started to sell. So right now something is going on, and we are shooting up a bit. I can try to see here with my Trump post, but seems that no news is out. So I'm adding here, we are very close to the first target, 900. And then opening of the day, the blue line is another clear target. So right now we have a higher low major trend reversal. But how far will it take us? We can see that there are profit takers up here in the breakout point area. We reached exactly up to bar 13. And found sellers and profit takers. So this tends to happen, right? What seems like a really strong push by the bulls can suddenly dry out, so to say. Let's see if bulls will keep pushing higher. They have a clear target. Bears, they want a retest. Don't think bar 68 was a retest. It was more bears panicking, sold higher, needed to get down to this bar where they were short and sold and bought back their shorts. So let's see, the last seconds are important. An okay bar. Not a great bar for the bulls, but an okay bar. And they have a bears know that there is a clear magnet above, and they also know that bulls will sell when they get there. Bears trying to paint a micro double top. Always annoying when you're long. What I mark down here is the launch bar, 1:45 to 2 p.m. New York time. So we can see this is a strong trading range area. We broke out, strong breakout. We tested back to the moving average. So the question is if we will go all the way back to the pink line. Most breakouts of a trading range fail, as we know. But we have had a lot of trading range price action when we have a look here. So bears and bulls kind of shared the day in the first couple of hours. Then bears took over, but bulls will at least like to get 50% of the day, so to say. So if you measure from the high to the low, it's likely that we will close in the middle, and that is about around open of the day. I would like to take my profits here just a bit below open of the day. So we are not rushing out right now, but series of small bars is always also good. Bears are trying to prevent bulls up here. They want to pull back. Always annoying when you just wanted to rush up to your target. This point one really wants to click on the take profit button. A 5-minute bar can be a long time. So can bulls gun it and get all the way back to their target 25,000? They've been here a lot actually today, then also been above. Bears, they want to prevent this, and they have been able to other days, but today could be more difficult. We have been higher today, and maybe it will simply end up as a big trading range day. I'll take some profit up here if we get there. Hope so. I'm probably not the only one who put a take profit order up here. Okay. Nice bar 71. Could be exhaustion also, but we have this clear goal. The blue line opening of the day, and we are shooting higher. I will leave this order open, or this trade open, 160 points right now. We can see there's a reaction up here, of course, at the open of the day. So let's just have a final look at the picture for today. Let me close here. So another interesting day. Let's have it here. So we are at 50%. Bears got a good start. They tried twice to break higher. We got a wedge. Bears took over for a while. We got a trading range lasting 2 hours, 3 hours. And then we got a breakout. The first attempt was not enough. Bears came in, but then we got a stronger second entry long, a good bar 62. We got a strong breakout, 70, 67, and now we are trending higher. Now we are at, yeah. Let's see if there are how many buyers we have up here. There is this very clear target. We can see here we have been hovering around again 25,000, but let's see how much higher we can go. On the daily, what does that mean? Daily bar. As anticipated yesterday, we tested back. So we still have, it's still likely that we can go a bit higher. Tomorrow is Friday, first Friday of the month, or yeah, usually a day with a lot of strong price action. So it is possible that we tomorrow can close the week strongly. If we look at it, we have had a couple of good bull bars. This we can see the second one, the one from yesterday, we can see it as a second entry long. So there's a possibility that tomorrow we will retest again the high of the wider trading range. We will see tomorrow. Thank you for your attention, and have a good evening and a good afternoon. Thank you.